my name is Brianna Brennan. Here is my partner, Gabrielle speaking. We are very interested in organelles, but only the most important ones. That is where the cytoskeleton comes into play. Imagine cells without structure and no possible movement of organelles. Just a pile of organelles all in a large blob, having no function. Pretty useless, right? This is exactly what the cell would look like without the cytoskeleton. Today I'm going to convince you why you should vote for the cytoskeleton, which shouldn't be that difficult due to the importance of the cytoskeleton.
A vote for the cytoskeleton is a vote for strength. I believe that the number one thing that we need to cell is structure and support. Some may ask, what does the cytoskeleton even do? My response to those people is that it provides the structure and shape to hold the cell together. Not only that, but it also provides an important structural framework for cell movement, organelle movement, and cell division. The three primary types of protein fibers comprising the cytoskeleton are microfilaments, microtubules, and intermediate filaments. Microtubules, the largest cytoskeletal filaments in a cell, are made out of tubulin and serve as conveyor belts inside the cells. They move vesicles, organelles, and chromosomes via special attachment proteins. Imagine a life without conveyor belts. Very inconvenient. Microtubules may work alone or join with other proteins to form more complex structures such as cilia, flagella, or centrioles. As for intermediate filaments, which are composed of a variety of proteins, although they do not participate in cell motility, they provide mechanical support for the plasma membrane where it comes into contact with other cells. Lastly, microfilaments, the narrowest type of protein fibers, are made up of two intertwined strands of a globular protein called actin, and are very versatile cell components that serve a role in cytokinesis, which is a cytoplasmic division of a cell, movement, and changes in cell shape.
The combination of these protein fibers allow for the cell to keep its shape in order to function. They provide immense strength to keep the cell in the right shape which without the cell would fail. Think about it like this. Everything is fine until suddenly poof, your skeleton is gone. So now what do? Exactly, nothing. You're useless. You're a blob of tissue on the ground with no function and you kind of look ugly. This is what the cytoskeleton will prevent. These filaments can support and protect the shape of the structure of other organelles in the cell like the nucleus. Furthermore, without the components of the cytoskeleton, it wouldn't be possible to perform basic function necessary for a life like cell division. These microtubules and filaments are what transport organelles such as chloroplasts to certain areas around the cell for photosynthesis. Meaning, without the cytoskeleton, the chloroplasts wouldn't be able to do anything. Kind of sad. And what is an endomembrane system without the movement of vesicles? You guessed it, irrelevant. Without the cytoskeleton, all of the other organelles will have no ability to function or do any work for the cell. So ultimately, the point we're trying to make is, you're welcome. Vote for cytoskeleton because it constantly supports you, and now it's time for you to support us.